Hello everyone, thank you for clicking in. Check this out, a little quick how-to on the We'll Fix It team channel. And if you want to see some other footage I'll be loading up today, I'll be doing a complete wire in for a 220 circuit. But this is a basic install. If you're working on stuff in your house and you've got a bad outlet, I just wanted to give you a little bit of knowledge so that you can put these things in properly so you don't have a ground fault. On this outlet here, you see that you have a gold set of screws and a silver set of screws, and you see this one down at the bottom that's green. Now with alternating current, the wire can go either way and still function as an alternating circuit. However, when you have a white wire and a black wire, one of them is a neutral, one of them is a hot, and the reason why they're that way is to allow for functionality when it comes to a proper ground. And so you want the outlet to be properly wired. You'll notice that your black wire or your hot wire will go on the gold tabs, and then your white wire or neutral wire goes on the silver tabs, and of course ground goes to green. So I just wanted to do a little quick video on outlet wiring, and I thought that maybe that would help somebody just messing around with stuff on their own. So stick around later on today. We'll load a video of us doing we're going to wire in a 220 outlet. So thank you very much for clicking in the We'll Fix It team. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the weekend. I'm out.